Good day everyone. So today we'll be starting our online class, and today we'll be having how to read the measuring tape. So this is a diagram of a measuring tape. A measuring tape is a flexible ruler which is used to measure the body, and it is numbered from 1 to 60, and it is measured in inches. So without wasting much of our time, I went ahead to make a diagram, like to draw it out so you guys can see and understand better. So we start measuring from this side, though this place is 0. Then from here we start reading 0.125, 0.25, 0.375, 0.5, 0.625, 0.75, 0.875, and here now we have 1 inch. Here we have 1 inch. So from here now you just use this analogy here. This is already 1, right? So it will now be 1.125, 1.25, 1.375, 1.375, and here we have 1.5, 1.5. This place will now be 1.5. Some people call just say one and a half, but the more the advanced word to use is 1.5. So you guys, when you hear one and a half, it's still the same thing as 1.5. So let's continue. 1.625, 1.75, 1. So 1.75, 1.875. So here now we now have 2 inches. 2 inches. Like I said earlier, so we will just continue to use this analogy here. We just continue. So this place is already 2 inches. So now be 2.125, 2.25, 2.375, 2.5. Like I said earlier, this 2.5 is also known as 2.5, but the advanced word to use is 2.5. So we have 2.625, 2.75, 2.875. So here now we have 3 inches. So we continue. 3.125, 3.25, 3.375, 3.5, also known as 3.5, 3.625, 3.75, 3.875. Then we have 4 inches. We continue. 4.125, 4.25, 4.375, 4.5, also known as 4.5, 4.625, 4.75, 4.875, and which is also known as 4.5, 4.625, 4.75, 4.8. Sorry, I made a mistake here, so I cancelled it. So we'll continue here. 4.875. Then we have 5 inch. So that is how it is from here all the way to. But I just stop at 5 all the way to 60. Once you know this one, this first one, we start from 0. It will be easy for you to know the rest. Okay. So now I'll take a measurement of my body, then I will identify what it is on the measuring tape. Now let me just take my shoulder. Let me take a measurement of my shoulder from here to here. Some tailor take their measurements from here to here, like from this, there's a bone here, from this bone to this bone. Why some tailor take their measurements from this, from the back here. There's also a bone here, from here to here. So let me just take my own from here to here, which will be more easier. So from here to here now, my measurement here is 8.5. Can you see? From here to here is 8.5, which is all. Can you see it? So this is my shoulder measurement. This is 8.5, which is also known as 8 and a half. So if I want to write 8 and a half, this is 8 and a half is also known as 8.5. Can you see? This is an exercise for you to like practice on your own. It says read the following measurements and make sure you are having a tape. So what you do for me is that you make a video of you. Maybe I told you to read maybe 4 inch. So you know that this is 4 inch. Or maybe I told you to read 4.5. You know that you just point at it. While making the video, you just say, this is 4.5, or this is 2 inch, or this is 3 inch. So you just read um measurements for me while making a video. So if you have any question, just drop it down and I will answer. Thank you.